So what is the concrete content of this course? Because guilt is an enormous, vast topic. In this course we will deal with the bad conscience, which is so common. Everybody has it. In all cultures I'm working with, everybody has the same kind of bad conscience. That is one big topic. And the second topic is, what happens if you hurt somebody else? Because you may feel guilty. And this is a big kind of guilt, an important kind of guilt. And I will give you the insights which I got in my work and in my personal life. And then as a third topic, guilt can also be a kind of protection. So you feel guilty, or you make feel guilty the other one, because you want to protect you from other feelings which are still more horrible than guilt. So this is the third kind. And the fourth is then the survival guilt, which is not for everybody, but it makes a whole circle of guilt in grown-ups complete, I would say. And you can work with your personal topics. And you will find personal topics, because no one is without guilt. So I will give you insights, and I will lead you through important, necessary steps just to heal something or to let it go. So, welcome.